Hey, this is Jennifer, and I want to give you a quick tip on how to make using Google Slides easier when you're presenting. So there's a really cool Chrome extension called Remote for Slides that allows you to use your smart device as a remote as you present a Google slideshow. So you'll notice that I am in a Google slideshow, and at the top right-hand side, in addition to the Present button that everybody has, I've also got one called Present with Remote. And in order to get this feature, you need to go to the Chrome store. So I'll open a new tab. I'm going to do the waffle on the left-hand side in my bookmark bar. I'm going to go to the web store, and I'm going to search for Remote for Slides. And it's this top one right here. It's got a little orange circle with a blue rectangle, and I am going to add it to Chrome. And so once you add it to Chrome, it'll pop up in your extension bar, and you will then get that feature on a slide deck that you open in Google Slides. Now, to make this work, I'm going to click Present with Remote, and now I'm in present mode, but at the bottom in that little window of tools, I see this option here. I go to this website, s.limhenry.xyz on my smart device, and then I click Start Remote on this slide deck, and it gives me a code I use to connect with on my smartphone. So once I go to this website, it's going to ask me for a code. I'll type that in. Notice if it's not seeing it right now, I want to show it. It'll show it to me for just a second, and then I'll have to unhide it again. That's a safety feature because you don't want to be setting this up in a presentation and your students or someone else jump on and try to control your slides. But this is how you would then connect your smartphone to be able to drive your presentation. So on your phone itself, you're going to come up with a little screen that looks like this. So you're not going to see the individual slides from your presentation. You're just going to have a few options, but they're really all that you need. Next slide and previous slide, because really that's all what we do when we're presenting. If you also have some notes, some speaker notes that you have on your slides that you want to be able to see from your smartphone, you can turn those on as well. Just click the little speech bubble at the top right, and then the buttons to move the slides from one to another are small, and your speaker notes appear above that. At the same time that you're seeing this feature in the website on your phone, you're going to get a timer at the bottom so that you're seeing how long it's taking you to actually present the information. A lot of times you start talking about a specific topic and you get off time, and then you run out of time at the end, or you haven't talked enough on a specific slide, so your presentation is too short. So that's a great way to use that feature. There's also in the settings the option to make it dark, so it would be a black background with white text if you want it to be less glaring if you're presenting in a dark room, for instance. But this works wonderfully with Google Slides. It's designed to make it much more user-friendly for presentations. Get the Chrome extension Remote for Slides, use your smartphone to connect to the website, put in the code for the presentation, and improve your presentations by not being tied to the podium and your laptop. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.